Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about Manychat versus Chatfuel, and we're going to see which one is better. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. Manychat and Chatfuel are kind of visual bot builders for marketing and automation. Both facilitate the bot building process on Messenger platform for non-tech savvy users. Chatfuel is a no-code bot building tool that allows people and businesses to develop conversational chatbots powered by AI in real time. This centralized chatbot platform proves to be a huge asset for Facebook and Instagram Messenger services, allowing users to streamline automated conversations effectively. Manychat is one of the best chat automation platforms for creating chatbots on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and SMS. It has a super user-friendly interface and visual flow builder, making it easy for users to create chatbots without any coding. Now I'll tell you about Manychat key features. Create multiple chatbot flows with a bunch of easy-to-use tools, drag and drop builder, and messaging types. From cards, pictures, text to attached files, expect vertical list. Offer friendly user interface thanks to a simple icon-heavy interface design, which is extremely clear and self-explanatory. Integrate with Shopify, PayPal, Stripe, ActiveCampaign, and 1500 plus different apps via Zapier and Integromat. Support chatbot making tools for both SMS and Facebook Messenger. Provides 8 growth tool options to lead your potential customers to the chat flow with your bots. Allow engaging your targeted segmentation via website, Messenger, email, and SMS. Now I'm going to tell you about the key features of Chatfuel. Comes with a clean interface and visual flow builder to build and customize your chatbot, support multiple elements to build custom messages, expect attachment files and location sharing options, enable to make chatbot on only website and Facebook, also integrate with Shopify Live Chat, Google Sheets, Live Chat, and Integromat, live analysis of conducted interactions with chatbots, able to connect the chatbot to Facebook ads, landing pages, and Facebook website visit. Moving forward, Manychat versus Chatfuel pricing comparison. Manychat comes with 3 pricing packages, including free plan, which is for $0 up to 1,000 contacts, Pro plan, which starts from $10 monthly, from 1,000 contacts to $435 monthly for 100,000 contacts, and $145 for monthly for 25,000 contacts. And the other plan is the business plan. Contact the Manychat sales team for a list with 100,000 or more than 100,000 contacts. Moving forward, if we talk about the pricing of Chatfuel, Chatfuel also offers its users 3 pricing options. Free plan, which is for $0 up to 500 contacts. Pro plan, which starts from $15 a month for 500 contacts, I guess, and to $180 per month, which gives you maximum 25,000 contacts. And they have a premium plan, which includes contact with Chatfuel sales team for 25,000 or more contacts. Moving forward, if we compare the customer support, both offer several ways to deliver valuable information that covers almost every aspect you'd want to know during your experience process, from detailed documentation to videos. However, Manychat better supports its users via more sources compared to Chatfuel. If I tell you about the conclusion, in my opinion, I would prefer Manychat because of its less price and its more feature. You can see here, if we talk about the price, that Manychat is less expensive as compared to Chatfuel because their pro plan starts from $10 and Chatfuel's pro plan starts from $15. So you can see that Manychat is less expensive and it offers better support, like stated in this slide, that Manychat better supports its user via more sources as compared to Chatfuel. So that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.